Hello and thanks for checking out ChartGuys.com. We're proud to be one of the most successful technical analysis communities online, teaching you the skills to become a more confident, effective, and informed trader. Join our community of hundreds of analysts worldwide working together to learn the charts, generate profit, and achieve financial independence. Sign up for a 1-week free trial, no credit card required, for access to daily live chart analysis and market coverage, a thriving chat community, along with dozens of hours of exclusive educational materials. We look forward to seeing you. Let's check out some charts. PCLN NVDA TSLA NFLX CMG. So PCLN is still in a range where I don't like it in either direction, and I don't have clarity in either direction, so I don't play it while it's in this situation. We've got support of 1836 and resistance of 1883. That's the range that I'm currently watching. And if we break this support, we'll lose the middle Bollinger Band as well, and that will have us looking down at 1806. So again, I'm still watching the possibility of the bear flag on the weekly time frame, but without market weakness, we're not really going to see much follow through there. So if we do see market weakness, I will be looking bearish on PCLN, but if I don't see SPY pull back at all, I'm not going to be touching it bearish. NVDA, very healthy consolidation at this point. Upper wicks of profit taking, but considering the move we've seen in the past 2 days, that's perfectly normal. Upper Bollinger Band support going to be tested tomorrow. Could be a potential little bull flag here. We'll see how tomorrow's trading goes. But overall, very healthy consolidation at this point. Weekly time frame, we'll see if we close above the upper Bollinger Band or below it of 185.93. Either way, it won't be a huge deal, whichever way we close. If we do close below it, however, it will be a bearish reversal candlestick that will let us know some more gap fill is coming. Tesla on the daily time frame, we hit with a downgrade this morning, really took all the bull momentum out of it before we even got into the open. And we're pulling back again to be expected after an 8% move in a few days. So support is 373.57 and a key support is down at 359.59. That's the higher low on the daily that the bulls want to hold. Weekly time frame is seeing an upper wick and a rejection from the upper Bollinger Band and a bearish reversal candlestick. But after that all-time high, still very strong and looking to just establish a higher low on any healthy consolidation, which at this point, that is what it is. A little bit of high volume compared to a low volume market day, but unless we see increasing bear volume, we won't have any red flags. Netflix on the daily time frame, nice follow through. So our higher low is now clear at 181.43. Bulls seeing follow through and resistance is 186.23 and 190. There's very little resistance in between besides psychological levels, and the bulls have such a clear stair-step higher pattern on the daily. The weekly time frame, a month in a row of green, very significant follow through, and making our way back to that all-time high. Checking in on CMG, we had a bear break today on CMG, but by the time we broke here, 296, the hourly RSI was 22. So we're seeing an oversold hourly bounce at this point, and it is a bullish reversal candlestick, but the only thing that would change is if we can break 317.47 with 14 more dollars to the upside to break the lower high pattern. Otherwise, we'll anticipate this bounce, a back test of moving average resistance, and if we reject, we know the bears are likely to see lower lows continue. There was a decent amount of buying the second half of the day, even after the oversold bounce played out a bit and the RSI cooled off. We did see some continuation. So let's see how we react to the middle Bollinger Band tomorrow, which will be around 309. And the weekly time frame, still weak, still rejecting from exponential resistance, 4 weeks in a row now. But the bulls are defending this 300 psychological level, so the next 3 days will be very telling as to whether or not we're going to see another leg down. So the FOMC tomorrow is at 2 p.m. Eastern. That's going to have an impact on the market, but I don't expect it to be significant as it is pretty priced in what's going to happen in a pretty clear consensus. So unless there's surprises in either direction in terms of the size of the rate hike, then we will likely just see bulls maintain with a little bit more volatility, especially more than we saw today with it so tight. But again, not expecting a ton of action. So I appreciate you watching. We'll check back in tomorrow and see how that FOMC goes. Have a great night.